Looking for a balcony solar setup that can actually make sense for small space power? Let's rank 5 options from the simplest battery maintainer to the strongest plug-and-play storage system. The Voltset takes the number 5 spot in this ranking, and that's not because it's a bad product, it's simply the smallest and most limited option here. Think of it less like a full balcony solar system and more like a compact helper for keeping a small 12-volt battery topped up. What makes it interesting is the simple setup. You get a compact solar panel, an adjustable bracket, SAE-style connectors, and a charge controller. For a balcony, that means it can be placed fairly easily without taking up much room. Compared with the larger kits in this review, it's much easier to handle, lighter to move around, and better suited for very small power needs. The big limitation is power. With only 30 watts of solar output and no battery included, this is not the system you choose for running appliances, backup power, or serious daily charging. It also doesn't include an inverter, so it's mainly useful for charging or maintaining compatible 12-volt batteries. Compared with every other product here, it has the least room to grow. This is a good pick for someone who only needs a tiny solar charger for battery maintenance, maybe for a small battery backup, outdoor equipment, or a very basic balcony setup. But if you want real stored energy, the next options move closer to that goal. Links to all the products from this review at the best price are in the description under the video. Next up is the Renogy Solar Suitcase, which lands in 4th place. This one feels like a meaningful step up from the Voltset because it gives you more solar power while still keeping the setup portable and easy to store. The big advantage here is convenience. You get 2 foldable 50-watt panels, a built-in charge controller, a carry case, and an adjustable stand. On a balcony, that's a real benefit because you can set it up when the sun is good, then fold it away when you need the space. Compared with the Voltset, the 100-watt output gives you much more useful charging potential. That said, this is still not a complete battery storage system. There's no battery included, and the controller is PWM, which is usually less efficient than the MPPT controller. It's also designed mainly for charging 12-volt batteries, so if your goal is to power regular household devices, you'll still need a battery and likely an inverter. This is a smart choice if you want a portable solar panel kit and already have or plan to buy a separate 12-volt battery. It's more flexible than the tiny Voltset, but it's still not as complete as the stronger systems coming next. Like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want more simple, honest product rankings like this. In 3rd place, we have the Renogy 200-watt kit. This is where the solar output gets much more serious. It's still not a complete storage system out of the box, but compared with the smaller kits before it, it gives you a much stronger foundation. The kit includes 2 100-watt rigid solar panels, wiring, a charge controller, Bluetooth monitoring, and mounting-focused accessories. In simple terms, it's built more like a small off-grid or RV solar setup than a casual foldable balcony panel. If you have the right balcony space and a safe way to mount it, the extra solar power can make a big difference compared with a 30-watt or a 100-watt option. The downside is that it's less balcony-friendly than the suitcase-style Renogy kit. Rigid panels take more planning, more space, and more secure mounting. Also, there's still no battery included, so the system is incomplete if your goal is storage. You would need to add a compatible battery, and if you want regular wall-style power, an inverter as well. This is best for someone who wants more solar generation and doesn't mind building the rest of the system around it. If you're comfortable with a more permanent setup, it can be a stronger long-term base. But if you want battery storage included, the next product finally brings that into the package. Taking 2nd place is the ECI Power Kit, and this is where the ranking changes in an important way. Unlike the first 3 products, this one actually includes battery storage, which makes it feel much more complete for a balcony solar setup. You get a 100-watt solar panel, a 12.8-volt 20-amp-hour lithium-ion phosphate battery, a charge controller, and the needed cables. That battery gives you about 256 watt-hours of storage, which isn't huge, but it is real stored energy. Compared with the Renogy 200-watt kit, it has less solar power, but it wins on completeness because you don't have to separately choose a battery just to get started. The main limitation is that this is still a small 12-volt system. It doesn't include an AC inverter, so it's not ready to power regular household plug-in devices unless you add extra equipment. The battery is also modest in size, so it's better for lights, small electronics, and simple backup needs rather than large appliances. This is a good option for someone who wants a compact solar and battery kit without building everything from scratch. It's more complete than the Renogy kits, but still more limited than a full portable power station. And that brings us to the strongest pick in this ranking. In 1st place is the VTOMAN bundle, and it wins because it's the most complete setup in this list. Instead of just giving you solar panels and asking you to figure out the rest, it combines a power station, a 200-watt solar panel, and an extra battery. The biggest advantage is usable power. With 3,096 watt-hours of storage and 1,800 watts of continuous AC output, this is in a totally different class from the smaller 12-volt kits. You can plug devices into it directly, charge phones and laptops, and use it as a serious backup power station. Compared with the ECI Power Kit, the storage is much larger, and compared with the Renogy kits, it doesn't need a separate battery and inverter to become useful. Of course, there are trade-offs. This is the heaviest option in the ranking, and the larger bundle is not something you casually move around every few minutes. Also, the included 200-watt solar panel is useful, but when paired with such a large battery capacity, charging from empty can take time. It's powerful, but it's not magic. Sunlight, placement, and daily use still matter. This is the best choice if you want a real plug-and-play balcony solar storage setup for backup power, regular device charging, and more flexible home use. It costs more and takes more space, but for overall usefulness, storage, and simplicity, it clearly earns the top spot. Check the links in the description to see the top products from this review and find the best current prices. And before you go, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical product rankings.